here. Welcome to another video. Yeah. So I haven't really. It's been a little bit since I played this. Well, not. It hasn't been too long. It's just. Whatever. What am I even saying? But yeah, I'm at this 10 Pine Bluff place, and yeah. So we're gonna. I haven't been here. That's interesting. But we're gonna go and kill the raiders at the Corvega assembly plant, which is our next mission or whatever, right? I'm gonna quickly go to here, see if I can grab my power armor real quick, just in case. But now I've got those guns that the Institute synths had, like some laser energy weapons, so that ought to be more than useful. That'll be good. Okay. Hello. What are you even working on?
What?
That was already there. Alright, jeez. You're not very polite. But yeah, I painted my power armor a little bit more. It's kind of blue now, except for the arms. Yeah. Now, the idea is to head to the assembly point with Codsworth and just kill all the raiders. 'Cause I don't know what else to do, really. I know that you can get Preston as a companion after this. But I know you can get Preston Garvey as a companion if you do this. So, that's the plan right now. That's what I want to do. Head out to the assembly plant. I want that, dude. I want this. There are a lot of guns that I want. After this, we're probably gonna head over. I don't know if you can hear me very well. I just realized my mic's kind of far from my face. But after this, we're probably gonna head over to Diamond City, which may be in the next episode. We may do it in this one. I don't really know. But yeah, the next challenge, I suppose, is to head to Diamond City. See what's there. It's on, like, the exact other side of the map, though. So, but yeah, got these new Institute weapons. So, I already killed the guys outside and the turret. So this should be relatively easy. Maybe. But yeah, I've already been here once, but it didn't go well. It didn't go very well, let's just say. So, the guys upstairs should be cleared, but they might have respawned. I don't know. But it was the basement, like, factory area that I had trouble with last time. I don't like that thing. What? Is that a mine? Did you get hit by a mine?
Who's that? Nothing there now. What do you think?
I don't know. Jump in a shaft.
What the?
Don't worry about it. Apparently these guys aren't. These guys know I'm here now. So that's wonderful.
That will make you jittery. She was right.
Okay, apparently these guys respawn, which is good to know. Excuse me, Codsworth. I need to get through here. Codsworth, my boy. You're a great man, but I need you to move. You need to go kill some people.
Okay, cut the shit. Who is that? Just noise.
Where are you? Sounds like you're everywhere. Where are these guys? Shh, quiet, Codsworth. Codsworth is just inherently extremely loud. Where are they?
Sure you saw something?
I don't. I hear them, but I don't see them. Which kind of worries me. Is there a glitch? Because I was here before? See, yeah, I killed these guys. So, I don't know. It could be the guys down here, but I don't know why I was hearing them upstairs.
What the hell was that?
Who's in here? I think I got rid of the turret, right?
Shit's got ambush all over it.
Where are you? Nope. Hang on. See if I can't get a frag grenade. I don't know how I... Uh-oh. There we go. Oh boy, here they are. There they are. Hi. This is easy. Yeah. Hi. Nah, not really. I actually have like 2 backup fusion cores, but you know. See if I can't get the biometric scanner, huh? Seems useful. What's this? Gristle's terminal, eh? Caravan. It makes 3 in a month. Already came, cool. Database. Network. Authorized personnel only. Okay. I don't know what that's supposed to do. You guys got anything useful? Mac and cheese? Okay. Just pipe pistols and crap. Nothing really useful to me. So, I think we cleared out this part of the basement. Let's go get the others. I don't know exactly... I don't know the layout of this place very well. My core is pretty... it seems that my core is pretty good. So, yeah. Hello. What is this? Am I getting rads? What is this? Rad away. Shut up, you're fine. I don't know how big is this place? Anything useful? Yeah, I shouldn't be looting right now. Only take stuff that looks valuable. Me. Where are you? How deep does this place go? Like, holy crap. I'm gonna run out of battery in my suit long before I clear this place out. Crap. Dang it. Another one? Like I care. Psycho. Seriously, why can't I open this? Am I just that bad? It's a novice. Hello? Gosh dang it. How many bobby pins am I gonna go through before I get through a novice lock? I'm not sure exactly what you have to do to get through these. Oh. There we go.
Nice.
Finally. And it's just some medics and psycho. Nothing amazing. Yeah. So I've cleared out this area, so I guess the only way left to go is down. Yeah. Alright. Well, down we go. Come on, Godsy boy. These cans. Oh, is that another? Well. Oh boy, some ghouls. Hoorah. What else do we got in here? Where's Codsworth? Okay, you're behind me. Ferals. Yeah, we got some alright stuff. This is getting weird. My core's at about 50%.
Sir, do be careful, sir. Water contains a much higher level of radiation.
Okay. I guess we're just not gonna go down there. Ooh, this way. Okay. What? Hang on. I want to quickly put on my 111 jumpsuit because that gets I was gonna say it gets rid of rads, but oh well. Or it protects from rads. What the heck? Did I do it? No, there still has to be more, right? I don't think I did it. I think I should probably go down the other way just in case. Whoa. Okay. Well, I'm just kind of confused. Did I do it? Hang on a second. What even was that? Hang on, I want to get around, back around to the front. Get me around to the front, please. Huh. It's like a walled off area? What is this? Ah, crap. This is weird. Frick it. You know what? This will just get me to the front real quick. Doesn't matter, I won't have to walk around. No, I guess let's go around the other way and see if there's anything in there. Yeah, I don't know. Is there like a glitch where they're still there but they don't spawn, or what? Because I've been here before? What is this? What's with you? Well, you're dead now. Okay, well, I don't hear any talking now, so... should be good. Oh. No, I hear them. They're still speaking. Talking my language. They just don't appear to be very alive. So what about this way? I don't think I ever went down this way. Is this a different area? Oh, hey. This is a different area. Cool. Well, kind of. We're back down in the factory, but... hang on. Hold up. See if I can. Let's see if I can get a Molotov here. Just... ah, crap. I didn't mean to do that. Ah, I didn't mean to do that. Ah, well. I guess I can just get rid of it. And this is getting stupid. Oh, hi. Enhanced targeting, I can use that for some good... I can use that for my own turrets. Excuse me. You don't have any. Oh, ferals. Wonderful. Never mind, Codsworth, you got any caps? Oh yeah, you do. A toy alien. I want that. Caps. Caps. Hey. Okay. What else we got here? Anything useful? Enamel. Like a fertilizer. A lot of body parts. What are these? Take the enamel bucket. I'm sure I can scrap that. Yeah, I can use it for scrap, dude. Drinking glass. Yeah. Okay, so where else do we go now? Anywhere else to go? Okay. So I guess we'll just head back up this way. Go over here. What's this? And head on over here. Anyone here? Yes, sir. Anyone at all? This leads up to the assembly plant. There's an assaultron. Or a defentron, rather. What? Commonwealth. How do I turn on my flashlight?
Light 'em up.
Hi. You guys are easy. Come on. Ooh, grenades. Oh dear. Oh, come on, friend. Oh. Well, that's a bit more inconvenient, isn't it? That I care about. There are two of them? Alright then. Crap. Should I just bait it till it runs out of ammo? Crap, I was trying to throw a grenade. Alright, how much HP do I have? Do I need to use anything? Not really. Fine. There we go. I did it. Cool. Did I kill you? You did. Now you are. Okay, cool. How do I get up there? Any caps for me? It's really dark. I can't see anything. Hello? How do I get up there? Where are the stairs? No kidding. Well, the stairs are over here and there's a gap. How do I get up there? I guess I don't. Oh well. Alright, Gonzi boy, let's get out of here. We're done. Now we can get out of here and talk to Preston Gorvey. Well, that was easier than I thought it was gonna be. Maybe it's probably because I had the laser rifle. Last time I did not do as well. So, chain act. Okay. But yeah, last time I did not do nearly as well. Oh, there are more raiders, really? I think I have a gun now. Another Molotov, really? Oh my god, I'm not amazing at this. Where are you? Oh, there. I just went up there. Ah, hang on. Oh, I'm out of cores, really? Really? Ah, I don't have any cells. Crap. Guess we'll have to do then. Hang on, I want to get something to... I'm a little low on health. That'll work. Alright then. Really, with the Molotovs, man? With the Molotovs, are they necessary? I would use VATS, but my perception isn't too high, so I always miss. Okay, I'm getting the sense that there are things we should be worried about a little bit more than that. Alright, that's it. This is getting ridiculous. I'll just go upstairs and get him. Or else are you? No, Codsworth. Oh no. Oh crap. What happened to Codsworth? Oh, that's extremely not good. Oh no. Oh god. So what happens if your companion dies? No. Codsworth. Hi there. Hang on a second. Finally, you were getting really annoying. Okay, where are the rest of you guys? I'm getting quite angry, considering the fact that you killed my Codsworth. Just authority. This doesn't feel like it's gonna do shit. Yeah. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna go down and get Codsworth. I'm gonna get my Codsworth and I'm gonna leave. You're gonna feck off. Trying to use that to see if I can find any enemies that I just can't see right now. Hey, my Codsworth is alive. Never mind. Okay. I guess you're fine then. Where are you? Whatever. I can't see him. It's fine. I already got the thing. Excuse me. Anything useful? For a power armor wearing psychopath? I don't even know where you are, so you're... I can get in here. Oh. Oh, that's where he is. Hang on. Whatever. Let's just get out of here, Codsworth. Can we fast travel? Even with them here? Because we got the thing. Yeah, we're fine. Okay, we're good, boys. We're all good. Don't know why Codsworth just died there for a second. Okay. Put this up. Let's see. 19 out of 50. Alright, there we go. Everything's all repaired and everything. We're good. We're good, boys. I'm gonna go to sleep. Any free breads? Yes, sir. It's 11:09 p.m. Sleep for 6 hours. That'll work. Should put me about 5 a.m. The 3rd of... Is it really like the 3rd of what, November? Actually, it's a tad bit suspicious, but okay. Okay, where's Preston? Gotta go find Preston. Preston Gravy. Preston Gravy. Where is he? Godsy. So where still can't find Dog Meat. I don't know where he went. Like Dog Meat just disappeared. There you are. Hi.
Things are tough now, but they'll get better. Hey there.
I cleared out the guys at the assembly plant. Hello? Hang on. Quartermastery. Excuse me? Success to the... Oh, okay. Fine, I gotta head over there. 10 Pines Bluff. The guys that I killed just a minute ago. Oh, hey. I want one of those that's like actually enamel pins. That looks cool. That looks really cool. I want an enamel pin like this in real life. Wonder if wonder if they make ones like this. Okay. What's up, boys? Where are you? Take some potatoes if you don't mind. Just take a couple. Hello. Or not. Hi.
Those raiders?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take care of them.
No kidding. That's the best piece of news we've had around here for a good long
Hey,
time.
bunch of caps.
So we've been talking. We decided if you came through for us, we'd join up with the Minutemen again. If we want things to get better, we've got to start helping each other. So
Alright.
we're in.
Sounds
you can
good.
Count on us if you need help down the line. Thanks again, friend. Huh, look, it's one of them fancy robots.
General Atomic's finest. Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
Seems to be
I'm gonna
going
steal your
well.
potatoes. Okay. Back to Sanctuary. Talk to Gravy. I just realized Sanctuary is like an island. Sanctuary Hills. That's really cool. Wonder if you can reprogram one of those and like get them to be fight for your own. Also, does Sanctuary Hills like are we gonna get like raided? Like, can we get attacked by raiders? Ugh, sorry. Like, can Sanctuary Hills get attacked by raiders? Because if so, that's actually pretty cool. I kind of want my turrets to do something. There you are. Now I can speak to
I
you.
knew Sturgis would find something to keep you busy.
Hi.
You
Hello.
know that settlement you sent me to help? They've decided to join the Minutemen.
That's great news. I knew you were the right person for
Hey.
the job. By the way, you should have one of these flare guns. You can use it to signal for help from any nearby Minutemen. Not much use
Okay,
yet,
that's
but
useful.
once we have more allied settlements, you'll have help whenever you need it. I guess you know I'm one of
Cool.
the last of the Minutemen. I never really told you what happened to us.
Okay.
I'm listening.
Have you heard of the Quincy massacre?
What was it?
I thought everyone in the Commonwealth knew about that by now. Where the Minutemen betrayed each other
No, sir.
and the people they were supposed to protect. I was with Colonel Hollis's group. A mercenary group called the Gunners was attacking Quincy. The people there called for the Minutemen to help. We were the only ones that came. The other groups, they just turned their backs on us and the folks in Quincy. Only a few of us got out alive. Colonel Hollis was dead, so I ended up in charge of the survivors. We never found a safe place to settle. One disaster after another. You saw how it ended in Concord?
As long as you don't give up, the Minutemen will survive.
I'm not about to give up, but I can't protect the Commonwealth all by myself. Hell, I could barely protect these people. That's why I'm talking to you. I can't rebuild the Minutemen, but I think you can.
Why can't you lead
What
them?
about you?
That's not who I am. I can get my men through a firefight. I can defend a perimeter against all odds. But that's not going to be
Yeah,
enough
exactly.
to bring the Minutemen back from the brink. We need someone who can bring the whole Commonwealth together in a common cause. And I think you've got.
Well, I am the main character of the game.
Garvey is quite right, sir. If anyone can unite the people, it's you.
What makes you think I can do this?
You saved
Yeah.
us in Concord.
I've only
There wasn't
taken out
any
like
Minutemen.
85 groups
You
of
had your own
raiders.
problems to deal with, but you did it anyway. That kind of selflessness has been in mighty short supply around here for quite a while.
Hoorah.
Okay.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
That's the spirit, sir. And one giant step in the right direction for the Commonwealth.
Cool. I got an
Good.
achievement too.
Good. Welcome aboard. I feel
Like the-
this is a whole
just
new start for the Minutemen
360 turn.
and the Commonwealth too. Don't worry, I'll be right beside you all the way, General.
Why are you calling
General?
me General?
The leader of the Minutemen has always held the rank of General. Our last leader was General Becker.
Huh.
After he died back in '82, nobody could agree on who should take his place. The one good thing about being the last Minuteman is there's no one to argue with me when I say you're the new general. Now it's your job to make it more than an empty title.
That's true.
I've got something a bit different for you.
What's with the silence then? Am I supposed to be saying something?
Our scouts have found a promising spot for a new
Okay.
settlement.
That was really
The
weird.
trouble is that some kind of vicious beasts are lairing there. Once you clear it out, set up a
Ghouls?
radio beacon to let settlers know about it. Before you know it,
Okay.
we'll have a thriving new farm instead of wasteland. We'll take back the Commonwealth, one piece at a time.
Sounds good to me.
Hey there.
Hey.
Is there something you need?
How are you feeling?
I'm glad to have the chance to return the favor. After all the help you gave me. Just let me know if there's anything else you need.
Come
Sure.
with me.
Follow me.
I need your help.
Sure thing, General. I think the folks here can manage on their own now. Thanks to you.
Mr. Garvey, I'm sure you will take good care of my master. Indeed.
Okay.
Take care, Codsworth.
Send Codsworth to just keep him here. Okay, I still don't know. Dogmeat is lost though, which is a big problem. I don't know where Dogmeat went, so. What are you doing? He's gonna run around all. Are you gonna. Okay. You did not need to do that. Not like at all, but okay. Okay, I need more like fusion cells and stuff for my these guns. Let's see.
At least it's not raining.
I say that a lot. Okay, the righteous authority. Let's see. The capacitor, photon exciter. Improved. Ooh. Long barrel. What do these do? Oh, standard. This one's got the full stock. Comfort, improves recoil and hip. I'll keep that. Improve sights. Short scope. Magitations. Here, sighted daggers. Sure, let's put on the gunner's paint. Why not?
Softly and bring superior firepower, huh?
Yeah. That's the way to do it. If you ask me, anyway. Photon exciter. Okay, let's see what I can do with these. Let's see what do I want to do? Do I want to put what are the improved sights? Focus sights and accuracy. So I also go for creating the capacitor. Creates range. Okay, if improve critical shot damage. I don't know. This one improves range slightly, and it adds burning damage. So, hell, yeah, this will work. I think I can use this. This will be useful. And then see if we can just use the improved sights. There we are. There we go. That's about right. Hang on. The righteous authority. I like it. Hi. Okay, so, this video's, or slash stream, you know, is gone on about, yeah, long enough. I guess I'll try and find dog meat off camera, I guess. And I also need to find ammo for my laser weapons. Need to find fusion cells, find dog meat. Probably upgrade our defenses. I know, how's the turret doing over here? I don't think I have anything really in that. Let's see. Can I, like, give you... Nah, whatever. I don't know. I don't know how this turret works. I don't even know if it does work or not. But we got Preston Garvey now, and this video's gone on for a while. So I guess I'll end it here. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to do outros very well. So guess I'll see y'all just in the next one.